I can tell you one thing, it's not in its pure life, okay? Because I ain't pregnant. Hey y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. If you are new here, my name is Quita, or you can call me Shaquita. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. To my returning subscribers, what's up y'all? Welcome back. So I'm at the gas station waiting on my gas to stop so I can head to the city. I'm going outside with my homegirl and her homegirls. So tonight should be a good night. I wanted to go and get my nails done, but I think I'm gonna have to go on Monday. I need a fill-in. I also need a pedicure, but fuck it, we ball. YOLO. So I made it to the city, and of course I got me some city food. I got some Elliott's, a chicken beef, I was trying to wait until we went to a bar to get some food, but baby, I'm hungry and Siobhan is busy right now, so I still gotta wait on her for another like 30 to 45 minutes, so why not eat? If you ever in the city, go get some Elliott's. I'm not gonna hold you, they never miss, literally.
Clothes or something. I ain't gonna see her for like 6 months.
I'm actually coming out in 2 more weeks.
We'll see.
So I'm on my way to the nail shop to go get a fill-in and a pedicure. I think I want to stop and grab me a salad from Chick-fil-A just to put something on my stomach because I haven't ate and it's 1 o'clock. I'm going to happy hour at 4:30 with Kita, so I don't want to eat nothing too heavy. So I guess a little salad will do. But I'm not even gonna lie, Chick-fil-A salads, you'll get full for a little while. So I think that's what I'm gonna get because girl, my stomach is growling. Like sometimes, you know, we miss breakfast, but we definitely gonna make up at lunch. Oh, hey. For my safety, stay one, you're my moving. Hey. What do you say? This used to be the shit back then, you know. Too young to even be listening to it, but baby, hell nah, that was the shit. Y'all remember like growing up, like the 90s R&B music used to smack. This shit now, baby, that's why so many kids was getting made back then. Now motherfuckers just, I don't know why you hoes having kids now. I don't even know. It ain't the music. What it is, something in the water? I need to stop drinking water then. I can tell you one thing, it's not in its pure life, okay? Because I ain't pregnant. Got the little salad. I'm gonna find me a park. I'm not with all that eating and driving. I'm not even gonna lie. I gotta be able to enjoy my food, okay? should have told them to give me 2 dressings because one don't do anything for this big ass salad. And to be honest, they should know that common sense. I guess ain't that common. Alright, come on. I like my salads extra wet with the dressing. Get your man out the gutter.
And that shit, y'all bad. Just the flip it, pop some tag. Girl, going that go, y'all bad. Spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit, nigga, spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit, nigga, spin that shit. I'm a gangsta ass nigga making more than 10 figures. I'm a down ass bitch riding with you in the swag. Only fuck with the hitters for his girl here, tripping, calling up a trap phone. Pussy nigga, where you at? Show me where you spin a block on your op. Hanging out the drop, screaming fuck the car. What we doing, nigga? Show me where your hood at. What's your place car, nigga? Where you good at? Ass niggas spend that money.
I need to get some Dow, but not the gold bar. But I only need a pack of 3, and they don't have it, so. I also need to get Dove, a pack of 3, okay, or a pack of 2. This will work. I needed some thin washcloths and a thin towel. Going back home, Keita sent me off. Now, if it was me, I would have had to hit her mouth for 40 days and 40 nights. Talking mess about how I don't come outside. Today, I was ready. But then, she talking about some she exhausted, which is cool because I did take some chicken out to fry yesterday, and I didn't fry it, so I'm going to do that tonight. So, I stopped at Jewel and got a couple items. And then I also went to Target to get a couple things. Nothing too crazy. Got some margaritas. I haven't had those in a while. Need some snacks. Pepsi. 2 lemons. I needed some fresh flowers for this week. I got some cotton rolls, some Dove. I also got me a basic white shirt, a basic white tank top. One thing for sure, it might look white now, but wear it a couple times. This shit gonna look so dingy. And to be honest, it's not really a white. To me, I feel like both of them give like off-white. But then again, I need to put my glasses on. I also got some washcloths because the ones that I have is too thick. I need some thin ones. And then I needed to get another bath towel, and this one is thin. So that is all that I have. Let me put this up and then we will start on dinner.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I'll say, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say,
fried chicken, homemade mashed potatoes, and broccoli with a Pepsi. I thought you had some stems already. Good morning, y'all. So I just made it to the coffee shop. It's a new day in the vlog, and I just got dressed. Me and Anna is going to have lunch. She asked me if I wanted to go and have drinks and food. Of course I said yeah, because y'all know I love eating and I love a cocktail. So this is just something that I put on. I am having a big hair day, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Let me show y'all what I got on. I'm not sure if y'all able to see my black Gucci sandals that I have on. I forgot to show y'all, these are my nails. I went with white for my nails. For my toes, I did funny bunny.
His son, the other day we saw each other. You could tell. Do you know they told me that they wanted to hear our conversation? I put music over it because I don't want people hearing what we talk about. And
So it is the next day, and I just made it to the office. I also stopped and got some pot bellies for lunch. I plan on being in the office for a couple hours. Tell me why I haven't worked out in a whole month, and I am pissed. Every morning when my alarm go off for me to get up and work out, I hit the snooze button. Oh child, I need to work out for real. But anyway, let me get my stuff so I can go upstairs. So I'm on my way to go drop off some business cards at the studio where I get my eyebrows done. So last week I got my eyebrows done, and while I was in there I asked her if it's okay for me to place some business cards in there, and she said yeah. I need to make sure I get up and get out every single day, every single weekday. Good morning, y'all. So it is the next day, and I'm heading to the office. I am going to stop and grab me some hash browns from Dunkin' Donuts. I just had a banana, and I'm also drinking on some water. So today we have a training for 2.5 hours, which is crazy to me. Good morning. I have a mobile order for Shaquita.
Sorry, what was the name?
Shaquita.
Oh, we got it for you. Thank you.
Okay.
munchkins are going to be right now.
Okay, can I have some ketchup, please? Thank you. Thank you. You too.
Hey y'all, so I'm back home and I absolutely love my hair. So I figured I'll show y'all before it look crazy tomorrow because I do not know how to curl my hair and I really need to practice curling my hair. So I need to figure out how to tie it up for tonight. I do have like some rods and I might put those in. I'm not too for sure. Or maybe I should just put on a bonnet and just see how it'll look and not put the bonnet all the way up here though, you know, like back. Because this is a quick weave flip over. Only thing I'm missing is some lashes.